Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to work and learn with for loop statement in Python. So taking in help with the AI chart, which is a ChatGPT tool to understand. Yes, let's begin to explain for loop in Python. Let's see what it will say. Previous lecture we have learned how the loop statement is going to be iterate multiple times a simple statement. So here a for loop in Python is used to iterate over a sequence such as a maybe group of items and a list of items, maybe a string, or range the items. So executing a block of code, each item in a sequence mode, which is a general syntax follows for variable in sequence. Code to be executed if the conditions, and also for loop is also we can specify the condition if it is making good and follow, or else like nothing but to controlling an environment of a flow of execution. Controlling a flow of an execution. So here clearly description is given, and also we will see how simply like a Python code which is generated. So taking a copy of this code, even it's let it be continue. So here I can go to the PyCharm, creating a new file, Python file, for loop, ChatGPT, hit enter. Wow. So see, this is the expected output. Let's see now. For here it is using a range method, which is a built-in method, and a starting position, and how many times it should be iterate. Let's see now. Very quickly I'm taking these lectures to understand, and you need to be master very quickly. Got it? Now run the file. Wow, 1 2 3 4 5 times iteration of this for loop is happened. So for I in range, it's a colon, hitting enter, it would be continue with the indentation position of the tab it's taking and continuing the statement, right? Now let's see if I'm given here instead of 6, I'm giving some 10 and run. Wow, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. What a beautiful. So see, it's this much of very simple thing to write a for loop statement in Python. Yes, if you need any moreover like multiplication table or any other example, if you need, you can specify the example, and you can explore the code of source code from this ChatGPT. Yes, all you have to try to practice real world examples which are more to understand very easily for your way. I hope it's a super easy lecture for you. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.